Today I decided to go to the Rescued Dogs Cafe in Osaka because recently I've been feeling down a lot, so I need to hang out with angels. Hopefully it will not be too crowded today. The cafe is just 5 minutes distance by walk from the JR and subway level station. It sucks that today was raining, but cherry blossoms were fully bloomed, so it was nice to see them. Look how pretty they are. Here is the cafe. You have to pay 180 Japanese yen on the spot, but it's including one bottle of drink. I usually donate changes to them. It's a little money, but feels nice to do it. On weekdays, there is no limited time to stay, but on weekends, they might ask you to stay only 90 minutes if it's getting crowded. There were friendly dogs, but also there were shy dogs too. So please be gentle with them and don't force them to carry or close to them if they don't feel like it. Most of those dogs here was rescued from breeders. I really can't stand it and understand they treated them as just a business tool. Unfortunately, Japanese laws on animals are so poor compared to other countries. We should voice up more for those poor angels. They definitely deserve a better life. those lovely dogs will find forever homes soon, and I hope I can welcome them in the future too. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching them.